Fall weather coming our way to actually get outside at parks. It's been too hot all summer long in the afternoon to do anything outside.
Yeah, well, I think some of that heat may be sticking around. This is actually a live view right now from Daytona Beach. So looking nice there. Kind of make you want to go out there, huh?
I was at the beach this weekend in Jacksonville, so not far from there. It was really nice. I got to relax, but glad to be back with you guys this morning, and I heard we had good weather here too.
Not too bad.
No, we had a pretty nice weekend around here. I think we're going to hang on to a little bit more of the okay before we start to see things turn a little bit and maybe get a little bit more soggy over the next couple of days. 24-hour temperature cast wants to see those daytime highs today in the middle 80s, maybe the upper 80s. All depends on how quickly those clouds take over and what kind of sunshine we're able to see. So far this morning, I've been watching not only clouds develop, maybe even a few light sprinkles in some of our western areas. It's not much, but it's the beginnings of what I think will be a little bit more of a soggy setup for our Wednesday, for our Thursday, and maybe even into our Friday. And some of that will be enhanced by some of that tropical moisture associated with Nicholas, that tropical storm that is going to bring huge amounts of rain to parts of eastern Texas and Louisiana and western Mississippi, some of those areas that are still trying to recover from Ida. The last thing they need is another day or two's worth of rain, and unfortunately that's what's going to happen. We're at 73 in Tallahassee. We've got 68 right now in Thomasville and in Valdosta. It's not breezy outside. The skies are trying to hang on to a little bit of clear, but I think as we go through the day today, it's going to be about increasing clouds. North and east, we've got the lower temperatures right now with the skies a little bit clearer and the air still a little drier. Moultrie's at 68 degrees, Homerville and Tifton at 67. Gets a little warmer down to the south and west. Apalachicola is at 75, Wakulla we're at 74. The breeze will turn from the east to the southwest today, and that'll pump in more moisture. I don't expect fog to be an issue for us on our Tuesday, but I think we can see some on Wednesday and Thursday morning. This is the tropical storm. It is going to continue to circulate a bunch of moisture up throughout the Gulf and across a big part of the western Gulf Coast, but that will spread out east over the next couple of days as that core disintegrates. But I think that moisture is just going to slowly spread out across the entire Gulf Coast region, and that's going to enhance everybody's chance to get wet. So got to count on maybe getting wet a couple of times tomorrow and Thursday. It was always going to be a showery setup for Wednesday, Thursday. But now that we've got this added tropical moisture, and there's quite a bit of it, I think we can see more than just some scattered showers over the next few afternoons. Now, the biggest rains are going to fall in easternmost Texas and westernmost Louisiana as the system is still well intact and still with some 70-mile-per-hour sustained winds near that very small core, and that's not too far from Houston right now. The motion is to the north-northeast at only 9 miles per hour. We'd like to see these things accelerate when they get over land, so that way they get in, get out, and take their rain with them. But if this moves at 8 or 9 or 10 miles per hour, and that's it for the next day or two, now they're going to be measuring rain in feet in parts of Texas and Louisiana, and that is going to be big problems, aggravating all the rain concerns from Ida still. So just a big mess out to our west. On the Gulf close to home, winds start east, turn southwest 5 to 15, and seas like 1 to 3 feet. We're doing the high tides this morning. They'll wrap it up around 8:30. 60s and 70s, a mixture of clouds and sun. Sunrise at 7:21. I think this afternoon the warm spots get to the upper 80s. Not everybody gets there. I'm going to put the rain chances like 30-40% for today. More muggy tonight, more 70s to start tomorrow. And here comes that forecast for the next few days. With the increased humidity and rain chances, we will keep the temperatures down, but I think there's good chances to get wet the next 2 weeks.